loves, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Terry. Yes guys, new year, new me. If you've been following my channel for a while, you would know that I have an insane amount of makeup. No joke guys, this makes getting ready in the morning hell for me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my new practical minimalist makeup collection for 2020. I really love to let my skin breathe, but I also want to look put together. And I strongly believe that if you look good and you feel good, you can definitely rule the world. The decision fatigue is so much that I end up going out without wearing any makeup simply because I just couldn't decide. So I really just needed to find a balance between the two. Let's start out with prep and prime. I like to start off with my NICINAMIDE 10% plus zinc 1% solution. I recently purchased this product from DEMI and I've been loving it so far. I've only used it for a little over a month now, and I've been using it as my everyday primer because this product controls sebum production. It sits very well underneath my makeup. It also visibly reduces my pores and blurs out my skin for that dewy skin finish. And I do use this product whether I'm wearing makeup or not. I've also been reaching out for my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, the lavender one. This stuff smells amazing. I do have dry skin, so my skin tends to get really patchy. And this stuff gives my skin that extra boost that it always needs, especially when the weather is dry like right now. So for foundation, the only product that I have is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 6C2 Pecan. Please check out the pop-up above if you want to watch a full review of this foundation for dark skinned ladies like myself. But basically, this is the foundation that I'm going to be wearing on my wedding day and the day after. I swear by this foundation, it has never broken me out. It is sweat-proof, waterproof, smudge-proof. It lasts over 24 hours. Guys, I can't say enough good things about this foundation. The only problem I have about this foundation is the fact that it doesn't have a pump, but guys, I can live with it. It's so lightweight, my skin still feels like skin even after using it. And I have made a conscious effort to never run out of this foundation. This is my third bottle in the past 2 years. Period. Next up, we have concealer. And the concealer that I chose for my collection is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mahogany. It's amazing for covering up spots and dark under eye circles, which everybody and their dog has. I also got the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade Dark to Deep. To be honest, I only use the highlighter on a daily, but I tend to reach for the contour shades only on special occasions. I also got sent this compact powder. It's the Luminous Compact Powder from Note Cosmetics. This powder doubles as a bronzer and a mirror. A girl always has to have a mirror. I don't really use a lot of powders on a daily because I have dry skin, as I always say, and I also want to have a dewy looking healthy skin, so I use the mirror more often. for brows, I love to keep it simple with the EVITA Joseph Expert Brow Liner Pencil. And I never have to touch up my brows because these babies are waterproof, sweat-proof, and it lasts all day. I have them in the shade Espresso and Midnight Drop. I also like to reach out for the Push Up Angel mascara from Maybelline. I love the wand on this mascara because it's really able to pick up those baby lashes that regular mascara wands don't pick up. Next on the list, let's move on to lippies, and I have 3 to share with you guys. Now, as you can see, I'm almost running out. This is just to show how much I have used, and I love this lip ointment, and it's the Bali pineapple flavored lip ointment from DEMI. Yes guys, from The Ordinary. It's able to keep my lips super moisturized and soft, and it has this plumpening effect which I really love. Next, let's get into lipstick, and this is the only lipstick in this bag because I'm a red lipstick girl since I found the Stunner lipstick from Fenty Beauty. Guys, I only need this lipstick. It has the power to take you from 0 to 1,000 so quick. I rarely need a lip liner with this lipstick. And the applicator, guys, this makes the application of this lipstick so smooth and almost perfect. It's really hard to find red lipstick for dark skin ladies, so when you find one that works for you, just stick with it, and that's what I'm doing. So who or what will I be if I didn't have my MAC lip glass representing in this collection? I use this lippy every single day in conjunction with my Bali lip ointment to give myself that extra glossy, shiny look. Yes, I just live for it. For tools, I have my Real Techniques sponge, which is super clean because I just took it out of the package. I use this for my foundation, concealer, powder, but I use my fingers for my highlighter. I also have my Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, which I've used 100 times or more. And I also have my dual lash adhesive, just in case I need to switch up real quick and look glammed up in just a few minutes. I always carry my EVITA Joseph Ziploc bag just in case I need to downsize my minimalistic makeup collection a little further to maybe 2 to 3 items. So yeah, that's really everything I have. Just 16 items plus tools. Honestly, you cannot beat that. And I've been able to fit everything into this small makeup baggie. Please let me know in the comment section what's your number 1, that item you absolutely have to have at all times. And I hope you all enjoyed watching my minimalist makeup collection for 2020. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video and next week. Love you guys. Bye.